Let's see how to undo a mistake in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, you mistakenly removed this part of the document, this text. Now, you don't have to go through the hassle of typing that text again. Instead, what you can do is click right here at the top, which will undo the last action that you did, and that should return the text and anything that you mistakenly did. This also applies for other stuff, such as formatting. So for example, you accidentally changed the font color or the font size, you can simply click it again and again and again, and until it goes back to how you wanted it. You can even make this faster by simply clicking Ctrl Z on your keyboard. So for example, you don't even have to highlight it, just press Ctrl Z, and there you go. That is how you undo a mistake in Microsoft Word. See you soon.